Here's a 2018 Audi Q5. This is a luxury crossover with incredible beauty and technology inside and out. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Auto shift manual transmission, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, refrigerated box located in the glove box, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, Audi smartphone interface, leather bucket seats, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Motor Trend finds rougher stretches of road do little to upset the chassis, which has a fantastic mix of control and comfort. Revolutionary engineering, progressive design, Audi. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.